If your pergola keeps wobbling because the fasteners keep loosening, you're not alone, and there's a simple fix to get that thing rock solid again. Okay, so first off, when you're putting together or fixing up a pergola, don't just rely on regular nuts and bolts alone. Grab some lock washers. They're like little grips that stop screws from backing out when the wind blows or people lean on the structure. Another cool trick is using thread locking compounds, which are basically glue for screws, so they stay put even with all the shaking and moving. When you tighten the fasteners, make sure they're snug but not over-tightened because that can strip the threads or break things. Check the spots where two pieces meet. Sometimes a loose joint is what makes the whole pergola feel unstable. Also, if your pergola is wood can shrink or swell with weather, so it's smart to check and tighten fasteners seasonally. If you spot any rust on screws or bolts, swap those out for stainless steel ones to avoid weakening over time. Lastly, whenever you're working on the pergola fasteners, take your time and do a thorough inspection afterward to catch any potential loosening before it becomes a bigger problem. One of the biggest mistakes with pergola fasteners loosening and causing instability is using the wrong type of screws or bolts. Regular ones just won't cut it because they don't lock in place. Fix. Switch to lock washers or use thread locking glue to keep everything tight. Another common issue is over-tightening fasteners, which can strip the threads or crack wood, making things even less stable. Fix. Tighten fasteners just enough so they're secure but don't force it. The third problem is ignoring seasonal maintenance. Fasteners that were tight in spring can loosen by fall thanks to weather changes. Fix. Set a reminder to check and retighten fasteners every few months to keep your pergola steady. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know how to fix stuff like pergola fasteners the right way. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great spot to get more work by connecting with people in your area looking for help with home projects.